Alright, project for today, we're going to pull off the intercooler, transmission cooler, and the radiator. Hopefully we don't run into any issues or any snags or anything. And don't find anything else that got broken in the accident. That wasn't on there very good. So, after pulling off the radiator, it looks like there's not really any issues with it other than a couple bent fins. Structurally, it's sound. So I think we're gonna run it. I think we'll be all right. So that's good news. If you'll notice, that doesn't look normal, does it? Somehow, I think this is the AC compressor is no longer with us. That's very well fucked, mate. And that looks unserviceable to me. We win. That's kind of broken. Oh, that's kind of broken. Alright, so we found a few more things that are broken. To include, but not limited to. Number one, AC compressor. I'm not really sure if you can get a replacement cap on it because it seems okay, but we'll see. I'm pretty sure that this is a water pump that's just broken off. Thankfully it broke off at the pump and not the engine block, so we're okay there. Thermostat housing, I'm pretty sure, because it was mounted to the water pump, also broken off. So yeah, this is great. And a multitude of hoses and clamps and retainers and everything else are also broken. So it could be worse, I guess, but it could be better. Well, it's time we pull off the broken water pump and thermostat, and we'll get started on the oil pan. Hopefully there's nothing else broken. I guess we'll find out as we dig in deeper underneath the engine. But so far, I think we found enough. I'm pretty good with what we've got. So luckily I found a guy parting out his E90, and he's got a bunch of front end parts and stuff that he's gonna sell me. Hopefully we get that ironed out and can get things started shipping soon. It should be a lot cheaper than trying to find things on eBay and stuff like that. So we'll see how far we can get in this. It looks like there's some electrical connectors that are broken and stuff like that, so we'll see how bad it is and the full extent of the damage on the passenger side of the engine. So stick around and check it out. Now I have to pull this bolt off anyways, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that so I can drop the trans pan later. Alright guys, so we got the AC compressor out. It looks fine. It looks fine other than the fact that it is broken on the front. So I guess we'll order a new one. So I think our best bet's likely going to be just getting a new AC compressor. I don't know anything about replacing these clutches, or maybe I can give it to somebody and have them replace it. I'm gonna shop around and see how much it costs, because I think an AC compressor is only a couple $100, so we'll see. So now after getting that out, I think I'm gonna try and get the turbos out. At least one, the front one's bad, so we'll try and get that one out, and then we'll move on from there. Intake's off. The AC system was cracked, so didn't have to worry about getting it emptied or anything like that, so that's good. We'll just have to replace one of the lines and we'll be all set from there, and just take it somewhere to get pressurized after. But so far so good on the teardown. Nothing looks crazy other than what I already showed you. Luckily it's pretty, the front of the engine's pretty clean, so we'll see. So I got the wheel pan here. It looks pretty good. I have no complaints. There's really nothing in here that looks like metal. Looks like it could be shards, film. I mean, it's just oil. Just the oil drain is cracked from what I can see, so I'm pretty happy about that.